Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video we are back with the free go-kart, and in today's video we are going to be doing the first drive on it, being if everything goes well. But if you guys didn't see last video, we swapped on this new engine, the old engine sitting over there, and the reason we didn't rebuild that one yet is just because it's kind of hard to get parts right now with the coronavirus and everything. The valves are stuck on it, and it needs more than just valves. It definitely needs a whole freshen up, but I had this engine laying around, got it at a garage sale for 40 bucks and threw it in last time and it fired right up. But I was expecting to be able to drive it in last video, but we literally left off at a cliffhanger because I only had 35 chain. This is actually a 40 chain, which is pretty big for a go-kart this size. But I went to the store and I was able to pick up some 40 chain and a master link, so we're going to get that cut and installed today, along with get, everything tensioned up. I really probably should have gotten a new belt too, but we'll see how long this thing lasts. I am curious to see how all of this works, because this isn't a torque converter, even though it looks like one. This doesn't expand or anything. I think it just gets the power to this shaft from the engine. And before we get started, I've been trying to find what year this is or something like that. As you guys can see, lighting is really bad right now. But this thing is a Carter Hot Bodies go-kart or something. I tried looking them up, and I mean, Carter's pretty well known. I couldn't really find anything on this, but my friend that I got this off of said that his family members bought it used in the 90s, so this thing's definitely pretty old, and that engine's definitely really old. So this will be the first time this go-kart has moved under its own power in what we know 16 years since it's been sitting. So definitely pretty excited to see how she handles. But anyway guys, that's enough chit chat. Let's get started on getting this thing driving. Not gonna lie, after a pretty long time of going back and forth with the adjustments, I think I finally got it pretty good. So we're gonna give this a shot. I've never had any type of system like this, so might have to go back and retension a couple things, but it feels pretty good on both ends. But I'm gonna roll it outside, and we'll fire it up and see how she drives. So I'll let this thing warm up a little bit. Engine is still breaking in a little bit, so I don't want to, go too crazy on it. I'll just feel it out here real quick, and then maybe I'll take it down the road real quick and open her up, see how she does. All right, so right as I actually just went to go ahead and drive it, this engine keeps bogging down. I've never had any issue with the Predator, basically ever. But I mean, this thing has sat for a long time. I put brand new gas in it and everything. It's got brand new oil. I'm just going to take this little bolt out of the float, and we'll see if there's any fuel in here. All right, there is gas in there. Might just turn on the gas and see if it flows. Gas is on, but we got no gas coming out of the float. So, gonna get the end of a screwdriver, see if this helps. Dang, nothing. All right, so right now I'm just gonna drop the whole float bowl and really take a look at this thing. Float is definitely really clean. Try and turn on the fuel again. Nothing. Wait a minute, don't even tell me. Oh my god, I might be there. Oh my god, don't even tell me. If this thing is actually out of gas and I literally just pulled the float bowl because I thought it was broken, oh my god. I could have sworn I put in a lot of gas too last time. Alright, so I'm gonna add fuel right now. The gas is off, but I'm just gonna add a little bit. Then I'll turn on the fuel. If it starts flowing, then, oh, I'm just an idiot. Oh my gosh, it was just out of gas. Alright, put it back on the float bowl. And we're going to put in a sufficient amount of gas this time. Oh yeah, we're good. All right, here we go. Oh, it's the belt, 100%. It's the belt. So we definitely do need a new belt, that's for sure. It literally smells like a burnout right now, but this belt's just getting shredded. I could try and tension it up a little bit actually, but pretty sure it's just the belt. So I definitely think that I'm gonna have to get a clutch for this thing soon, and definitely a new belt. But I mean, it's driving for right now. But I mean, first time moving under its own power in 16 years. But actually, I think I just want to take it down the road real quick and kind of feel the power real quick. See what she could do. All right, so I'm just gonna take this thing out on the road, just up and down real quick, just to feel it out, see how everything performs at high speeds. Oh yeah, not bad. And then there's the governor, but I just want to feel it out, see how the gearing is with that belt. Oh yeah, it's a fun little cart. Definitely be fun off-road, that's for sure. I think I gotta air up the tires actually. Oh yeah, it just spun the belt so bad. I wish this thing had reverse. Once I let off, it actually starts to hook up, and then you can feel, oh god, the power. Understeer. Oh my god, yeah, it's slipping so bad. Alrighty guys, so this thing felt pretty cool, but I smell gas, and after looking further, right in there, I'm not sure if you guys could be able to see it very good, but kind of right where, oh yeah, you can definitely kind of see it. So it looks like the fuel line might have slipped off a little bit. You can see it coming out. That's kind of a fire, and that explains why this thing was out of gas when I thought it wasn't. So what I'm gonna do is just loosen up the gas tank a little bit so I can get under there, and I can try and slip that back on. All right, so I got the gas tank draining right now. Definitely not my best idea to do it when this engine is scorching hot, but looks like it's actually just about done. It's definitely leaking a ton, so luckily I checked into the gas smell. But I'll just try and get as much as I can, because basically anything hot enough that hits that muffler is most likely just going to self-destruct, because that muffler is hot, as it states. All right, so we're all back together, so now I am gonna put a little bit of gas in it, not a full tank, just to test it out, make sure it's not leaking anymore. All right, we're looking good. Sweet. So guys, with that being said, I am going to be ending off the video here. A little bit of a shorter video, guys, for you here. A little bit of a shorter video for you guys here today, but the thing's driving. It feels pretty good. Besides, you know, we just got to get a new belt on there, maybe a new clutch. I mean, it is engaging and disengaging, but I don't know, it doesn't sound right. But I think I'll definitely start off by trying to find a new belt for it. I think that's a good starting point. But anyway, follow my social medias. They will be on the outro of this video. Instagram and Snapchat I use the most. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel.